Hello, welcome to this video. My name is Godwin. Today I'll be teaching you briefly on how to create a Gmail account, a Google account. If you don't have a Gmail account, this is a very good opportunity for you to learn how to do so. Meanwhile, if you have not subscribed to my channel, I advise you just go and subscribe and hit the notification bell, because I have a lot of good videos that will be teaching you how to do so many good things online as far as internet is concerned. Today, follow me as I teach you how to open or create a Gmail account. First of all, you go to your browser, you type in www.gmail.com, you enter. These are already accounts I've created before. Use another account, create account for myself or for my business. Now you continue and it requests for your name. You type in your name, type in your surname. Okay, type in your surname. Now you type in your username. You can say for example, Godwin Cash. For example, you have to choose a name that you like, not just this one. If his name is not available, they will give you suggestions, but if it's available, they'll just continue. Now you choose a password, type a password. Now you confirm your password. You confirm it by retyping the same password. So the name Godwin Cash has been taken. I can include something to differentiate it. As you can see, I just added 2020 to differentiate it. Let's check if it's still available. Oh, it is. They will request for a phone number. Now you type in your phone number. Now let me use this phone number to verify the account. Okay, activate an account. Now they will send you a code. That code, simply type it in here. Type it in there. Now once you type it in, automatically, if you have a recovery email, an email address that you will type in, what this place simply means is that in case you lost your password, you could not access your email, your account again, it's very simple. They will ask you to type in your recovery email, where they will send in the code for you to access or a kind of reset your password, so you have access to your email address. But if you don't need it, it's not by force, it's just optional. You can leave it. Go to the next stage. You fill in your date of birth, your month, your date, and the year you were born. For example, if this is my age, and you choose your sex. Now when you choose the sex, you just simply next. It's as simple as that. No difficult thing there. Here, they just want to know one or two things about what Gmail is all about. Me, I don't normally bother myself with all this. I'll just skip it. Go to the next page where you need to accept their terms and conditions. After accepting, your account is ready. It's as simple as that. I just opened a Gmail account. Now. It is very, very, very simple. It is simple. Okay. As you can see, it has loaded, or it's almost loading. Okay. Now I just finished creating the Gmail account. You next, if you want to customize your account, you can customize. You can leave it as default. Just okay it. The account is ready. Just as you can see, if you click here, you see my name. The account is ready. It has been created. As you can see, the account has been created. It's as simple as that. So thank you for watching this video. Like I said earlier, subscribe to this channel. You will never regret doing so. You must succeed. You must become a millionaire through the internet this year. That will only be possible if you are ready to put in practice whatever you'll be learning here. But first of all, the first step is to subscribe. Thank you once again. Comment on this video, give it a thumbs up, share this video. Don't eat alone. Thank you very much. See you in my next video. Bye for now.